This 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. Clean Carfax one owner, 125-point inspected, Lieutenant equipped, Duramax, diesel, Allison Auto, some factory warranty remains. Call for more info. Trades accepted. Mechanical rear axle, 4.10 ratio, requires L96. Vortex 60L V8 SFI engine or LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine. Pickup box GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, requires L96, Vortex 60L V8 SFI engine or LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG/LPG capable engine. Not available with CK25943. Air cleaner, high-capacity transfer case, electronic shift with rotary dial controls, requires 4WD models. Cooling, external engine oil cooler cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler battery, heavy